Namo Namaha. Learning Sanskrit by verses number 57. Sangama Viraha Vikalpe. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Sangama Viraha Vikalpe Varamiha Viraho Na Sangamastasyaha Sange Saiva Tathaika Tribhuvanamapi Tanmayam Virahe. Padachedai. संगम विरह विकल्पे वरम इह विरहः न संगमः तस्याः संगे सा एव तथा एका त्रिभुवनमपि तन्मयं विरहे. वाक्यांशशः अभ्यासः. Clause wise study. Here I am adopting a new style of having columns for words in prathamayam, that is in first case, shashthyam in sixth case, saptamyam in seventh case. I do not have the columns for other cases because there are no words of other vibhaktis, other cases in this thing. So that's why all the words in the padacheda can be distributed across these four columns. So, first row, Sangama Viraha Vikalpe. Then, Varam Iha, Viraha Tasyaha. Third line, Na Sangamaha. Eva Tatha Sa Eka Sange. Api Tribhuvanam Tanmayam Virahe. This composition is amazing because even though there are 5 clauses, there is not a single explicit verb. One can of course supplement some words, but the meaning is coming forth even without them. The indeclinable varam has some verbal intent inherent. We will go into the study of and the meanings of each and every word. By that it will become clear. There are 2 compound words. First one, Sangama Viraha Vikalpe. Sangamaha va Viraha va iti Vikalpaha Sangama Viraha Vikalpaha. Sangamaha va Viraha va iti Sangama Virahau itare tardvandvaha. Then Sangama Virahayoho Vikalpaha Sangama Viraha Vikalpaha Shashti Tatpurusha. Sangama Viraha Vikalpe. In the instance of Sangama being with and Viraha being without, being away from, both being Vikalpas, options. Tribhuvanam Trayanam Bhunanam Samaharaha Dviguyuktaha Samahara Dvandva. 3 words, heaven, earth and netherworld together. So that is the detailing of the 2 Samasik Shabda. Now, Shabdanam Abhyasa. That is Subanta. First one is Sangamaha. Pratipadikam Sangama. Jatihi Nama. Pratipadika union. Lingam Pullingam. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Viraha. Viraha. Pratipadikam. Jatihi Nama, separation. Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Vikalpaha, Vikalpa Pratipadikam. Jatihi Nama. Pratipadika option. Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Varam, Varam Pratipadikam, because it is avyayam. Is preferable. That is what I mentioned earlier. That is preferable, is. Because its meaning is preferable, it gets the verbal intent also. Iha, Iha Pratipadikam, Avyayam, here, and hence no detail about Lingam Vibhaktihi Vachanam. Tasyaha, Tat Sarvanama, that. Strilingam Shashti Ekvachanam. Sa Tat Sarvanama, that स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम एका एक सर्वनाम वन स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम संगे संग प्रातिपदिकम नाम नाउन कंपनी पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम एव अव्ययम ओनली then no detail of lingam vibhakti hi vachanam tatha again avyayam that way again no detail of lingam vibhakti hi vachanam tribhuvanam tribhuvana pratipadikam nama noun three words together napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam tanmayam tanmaya visheshanam full of that नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम विरहे विरह प्रातिपदिकम नाम नाउन सेपरेशन पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम अर्लियर इट वाज विरहः पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम हियर विरहे पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम नोट द वर्ड्स संगम एंड संग साउंड टू बी सेम बट दे हैव डिफरेंट एटिमोलॉजीज संगमः गोइंग टुगेदर समगमः. So dhatu is some gum and then a suffix up. By that it becomes sangamaha. Sangaha, attachment, involvement is sanja. Dhatu is sanja and ghai of that dhatu. That is what makes sangaha. The word tanmaya is tat plus maya. Tat sarvanama. Being a Sarvanama, it has Subantaha, declensions, in Trishulingeshu, in all the three genders, and then all the 7 Vibhaktis, and all the 3 Vachanas. Prathama, Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. As a Sarvanama. Maya is Tadhit Pratyaya, obtaining. Visheshanam, Nama, obtain tadhit pratyaya. Maya is a tadhit pratyaya obtaining visheshanam from nama or sarvanama. For example, ananda nama. Maya anandamaya visheshanam. Dukkha nama. Dukkhamaya visheshanam. Maya means yukta, filled with. Yukta is yuj ta. Yuj dhatuhu ta krut pratyaya. Anandamayam means anandere yuktam. Now another word, yogaha is yuj, same dhatu as of yukta, but yogaha is yuj ghai. Ananda yogaha. Anandasya yogaha yasmin saha ananda yogaha. Likewise, Arjunasya vishadasya yogaha yasmin saha Arjuna vishada yogaha. So Arjuna vishada yogaha is Arjuna Vishada Yuktaha Yoga or Arjuna Vishada Mayaha Yoga. That is what I wanted to discuss. Why I took the words Yukta and Yoga for discussion is because their meaning is closely related to the meaning of Maya. Maya can be taken also as Samasikam Upapadam, connoting Dhatuhu may, to go, to move. Anandam mayate, iti anandamayaha. Anandamayam, anandamayi, visheshanam. So pullingam anandamayaha, napusakalingam anandamayam, strilingam anandamayi. Likewise, tatmayate, iti tanmayaha. Tanmayam, tanmayi. Mayate, कर्मणि प्रयोगे अपि तेन मयते इति तन्मयम् अथवा तया मयते इति तन्मयम्. And here taya mayate is the meaning of tanmayam tribhuvanam. The entire tribhuvanam, all the 3 words are gone into by she. Sa. So tayamayate iti tanmayam tribhuvanam. Anvayartha. Sangama Viraha Vikalpe Sati. Now I am supplementing Sati, making it as a Sati Saptami type of construct. So Sangama Viraha Vikalpe Sati, when being with and being without are the options, Varam iha viraha tasyaha. Being away from her seems preferable. Na sangamaha varam. Being with her not preferable. Sange sa eva tatha eka. In her company she is singularly as she is. Virahe tribhuvanapi tanmayam. On separation, all the three worlds are full of her. Everywhere you see her only. Chanda Vishleshana. Sangama Viraha Vikalpe. Here matraha are Dve eka eka, eka eka eka, eka dve dve. Prathame pade Dvadasha matraha. Then Varamiha Viraho na sangamas tasyaha. If we assign the matras and count them, eka eka eka, eka eka eka, dve eka dve, eka dve dve dve. That totals up to 18. So Dvitiye pade Ashtadasha matraha. Sange Saiva Tathaika. In the matras assignment, Dve Dve Dve, Eka Eka, Dve Dve. Tritiye pade Dvadasha matraha. And then Tribhunamapi Tanmayam Virahe, Eka Eka Eka, Eka Eka Eka, Dve Eka Dve, Eka Eka Dve. Chaturthe pade, the total count comes to 15, Panchadasha matraha. Uchyate Yasyah pade prathame Dvadasha matras tatha trutiyepi Ashtadasha dvitiye Panchadasha chaturthe sarya. And all the matra analysis is conforming to that. Prathame pade Dvadasha matra. तथा तृतीये पि द्वादश मात्रा अष्टादश द्वितीये करेक्ट देन पंचदश चतुर्थे सा आर्या सो अतः आर्यावृत्तमिदं स्वाध्याय देयर इज अप्रस्तुत प्रशंसालंकारः अ टाइप ऑफ अर्थालंकारः संस्कृत फिगर ऑफ स्पीच अर्थालंकार मीन्स फिगर ऑफ स्पीच and there are many different types of figures of speech. So when I checked up the list of different types of Arthalankara, it comes to my mind that Aprastuta Prashamsalankara is the type of Arthalankara here. This Subhashitam appears to be a good example of that type of Arthalankara, Aprastuta Prashamsalankara. Aprastuta Prashamsa means commendation, prashamsa of what is not commendable, aprastuta. Separation of a lover from his lady love is not commendable. But here, by saying varam iha virahaha, separation is commended. Justification is also simply by poetic fancy, that separation would make the lover to see his lady love in everything around. So she gets multiplicity as against her singularity when she is with him. In economics, there is a law of diminishing utility and also a law of increasing returns. Increasing returns, multiplicity. Diminishing utility, only one, singularity. So does this Subhashitam become singular proof of both the laws? Law of diminishing utility, law of increasing returns. In Mahabharatam, there is mention that Kunti prayed that Krishna may bless her with sorrows, so that she will remember him at every instance of sorrow. That prayer of Kunti is also a prastuta prashamsa. She is doing prashamsa, praise of sorrows, which nobody else will do, so which is not the normal line of thinking, aprastuta. In Devi Suktam or Durga Stuti, goddess Devi is eulogized, prayed for her multiplicity. Rather, for her multifarious grace. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vishnumayeti Shabdata Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Chetanetyabhidhiyate Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Lakshmi Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. I have missed out one Namastasyai everywhere. Sorry for that. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhi Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vidya Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Bhakti Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shraddha Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Daya Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Kshama Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Reciting this prayer is like reminding ourselves of what all virtues we have to inculcate. We should be blessed with and seeking her grace for that. There is certainly a merit in multiplicity, so many virtues. The deciphering Tatmayate iti Tanmaya, Tanmayam, Tanmayi, especially Tribhuvanam Tanmayam, is a phrase replete with philosophical thought. In Indian philosophical thought, in the scriptures, it is contended that the entire universe is pervaded by Brahma Tattvam, Tatmayate, Isha Tattvam, Atma Tattvam, Paramatma Tattvam, and a seeker who meditates that way becomes Tanmaya. If deliberating on this Subhashitam would provoke such a line of thinking, one would be led into a different realm altogether. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601@gmail.com. Shubhamastu.